What do you want to be when you grow up? Someone who people rely on? Someone who makes a difference? You might just discover that career on Jobs of Tomorrow, where we deep dive into emerging opportunities and the future of work. Have you ever sat on a plane and thought to yourself, how do they really know this thing is safe? How do they know how much weight it can hold and still get off the ground? How do they know how fast or high a plane can fly? NDT is how they know.
In a typical medical situation, if you were to fall and you hurt your arm, you would go to the doctor and have the doctor assess the damage that might be in your arm or something of the case. We do the same thing. Our different modalities that we have enable us to do ultrasound, radiography, CT, and a few other things. But in the grand scheme of things, the best way to relate it to is that we are an industrial doctor. We assess the product to make sure that it complies to what its intended use was.
NDT methods are used in all phases of the aerospace industry, from checking materials for abnormalities before a part is made, to inspecting an aircraft once it has been manufactured, sold, and flown from coast to coast.
If something unexpected is found in an in-service inspection, that information goes back to the aircraft manufacturer for analysis to see if is this a unique occurrence? Is it the result of some damage that the aircraft incurred during service? Is it a problem with a part? Is it a problem with a manufacturing process? And if there's something that's likely to be more than just a one-time occurrence, the manufacturer can redesign a new inspection method, recommend increased or enhanced inspections, and in general, provide that extra safety net for the aircraft's operation.
NDT in the aviation industry sounds like a tremendously interesting opportunity for anyone wanting a job that really makes a difference in the way that we get from point A to point B.
We want to push the limit. We want to go to the moon. We want to go to Mars. So now we're working in very hostile conditions, and we want to see how we can use NDE to create structures in space. We are always pushing that boundary between safety margins and design. So therefore, you need to be at the edge of innovation, technology, and knowing the science behind it so that you can apply it and fix the issue.
I've never worked a day in my life. I've enjoyed non-destructive testing since the day I started. I've been able to raise a family and have a good living.
To learn more, check out the full episode from the amazing docuseries, Jobs of Tomorrow.